Good day guys, how you doing? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys the My Genie H2O vacuum cleaner. It's a 2-in-1 front vacuum, back mop. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys. Check it out. Front vacuum, back mop. As soon as you vacuum the front, it will automatically mop in the back. This piece over here is detachable if you only want to do vacuuming, but if you want to do 2-in-1, you can do it as well. It's mostly used for tiles and wooden floors. Okay, and it's got again also 2 power settings here. Minimum, maximum. Maximum can do the same job as well. Just like this. Done.